So let me tell you the recent incident that has happened with me. I ordered a 128 GB micro SD card which is UHS 1 and specification 3. You can clearly see from here the country of origin for this product is Malaysia. So this is the product that I've received from Flipkart today, and it shows the class 10 specification 1, but I ordered the class 10 specification 3. This is the main product that I have received in a closer view. In the card it mentioned that it is made in Taiwan. So I'm literally confused that is it a Malaysian product or is it a Chinese product. These are the two cards that I have received. So these two cards are recently ordered, 128 GB and class 10 specification 1, and this is one which I purchased from the local store which is class 10 specification 3. Both the prices are same. It took around 1800 rupees for each of the cards. Let me show you actual capabilities of these two cards separately, so and how I identified that if the card is fake or not. So here I am trying to insert the card that I've received from Flipkart. After inserting the card, it shows the SD card is not supported because the card is not what it is being shown in the picture. This camera does only support the high definitions class 10 specification 3 cards only, not below that. So that's why it is showing the error. From the visual inspection, you clearly can see that the difference between the colors and the quality of each of the product. So one is red, which is the original, one is light pink, which is the fake. Now when I am inserting the original card, it is going to working smoothly. Now see, the card is actually working fine and there is no issues. I definitely I can see and I can record the videos at any format, at anything which is being recommended by the manufacturer of the camera. Can you spot the original and the fake one? Yes. So these are the two original and fake one. So next time when you are going to buy the product, definitely do visualize and do check the product properly. One of the way to identify the original and fake product is with is the hallmark. So the highlighted sections, that is the original one, and if you see the two other cards, it is not having the hallmark. So definitely these are not two original one. Samsung has recently started to put the hallmark on their products. So you definitely do verify whenever you are going to receive some of the original products and all. So this is not a fault from the Flipkart side, but it is they need to regulate it properly, and the regulations is not correct. So that's why these are the fake products are being sold over there. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, you may consider to subscribe the channel. Thank you.